You wish to grow online, yet you struggle. Post, hustle, still nothing. Like trying to catch fish with no bait. But hear this. Secret is not more and more and more content. No, I tell you indeed, the secret is right content at right time. And more than that, secret is discipline. The secret is putting system in place. It is time spent wisely. Stay with me, student, and today you learn. Learn to create, grow, and not lose mind in the process. Oh, and if we have not met, Profit Sage, that is me, guide for your journey. And if you think this just another post-more speech, you are in for great lesson. Content creation, endless battle. Feels like fighting many enemies at once. Must be everywhere, must post all the time. Must chase trends. But what happened? Creator loses focus, spreads too thin, chases perfection. And of course, wastes time. Spend 3 hours choosing thumbnail? That not content creation. That is distraction. Familiar, yes? I know this pain. But do not worry, Grasshopper. Today we are going to fix this problem. Now we reach the way. Short-form content, like quick strike, fast, sharp, powerful, hooks audience in seconds. But mid-form, that is secret art, 60 to 90 seconds. Just enough to teach, just enough to connect. Blend two together. Yes, now you master strategy. But here is where many fail. They post, then disappear. Sometimes they come back, but then burn out and leave again. Like warrior who trains one day, then sleeps for 10. Is this success? Of course not. It never comes that way. Now Alex Hormozi, he is a smart warrior, that one. He not posts every day. He records once, many times maybe. Then others take and break his recordings into pieces. One effort, many rewards. This is a smart plan. This is discipline. And discipline makes master. But you say, I have no team, Profit Sage? But what works for Alex Hormozi, a man who obviously has a team behind him today, works for one man, one woman, two, 1 day per week. You simply film many clips, yes, perhaps 5 or 6, many, perhaps even more. The key is to schedule wisely. Content now works for you, not other way around. Now you ask, how do I schedule? How do I make money? How to balance everything? Good questions, wise questions. For this, I have gift for you. Profit Sage A.I, all knowledge, all wisdom, all at your fingertips. Yes? Ready to guide you, all for free. You wish to learn? The link is in the video description below. You know how to click. Yes? Begin your journey and speak with me, as it were. Now listen well, my little grasshopper. It is not about one viral moment. You must understand this. Success is showing up again and again, not in some random way, not reckless. It's about disciplining yourself. It's about exercising patience. It is these virtues that win battles. So, I ask you, because it is important, what is your move? Now before you leave, subscribe. If you seek wisdom, if you seek understanding, there are many more lessons to come, more secrets to learn. Yet, like you, I am seeking to share the secrets I have learned, and perhaps for you, a special journey awaits. If you are serious, press subscribe button, and we will grow together, you and I. All right, future master of content, your journey begins now. Click the link in the video description. Come learn with Profit Sage A.I. Grow in wisdom, and remember to come back for next lesson. Until then, sear this into your memory. Content does not make creator great. A creator makes content great. I am Profit Sage, and I will see you in next video.